Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is April, and in today's video we are going to be repotting a few plants that are long overdue. A Cebu blue in LECA that definitely needs to be repotted. I'm sure you guys remember when I potted this into LECA in one of my previous videos. It was very small and it has grown a ton, so I'm guessing the root system is pretty much out of control at this point. So she's one. We're also going to be repotting my string of spades plant. It's been in LECA for a year now and it's grown a ton just like my Cebu. So we are going to be repotting her. This is one I'm very excited for. I mentioned in my last plant chores video that I was gonna need to pot up this plant as well, so that's what we're doing in today's video. But over the weekend, I did go to a plant shop, which I haven't done in probably a year, like an actual nursery, not a big box store like Lowe's or Home Depot. I went to an actual nursery and I think I got a gem. I think I found myself a variegated Repotting tetrasperma. Let me get up so you can see better. As soon as I saw that it had some variegation on it, I looked it up on Etsy, as us plant people do. It was only $30 at the nursery, so I obviously snatched that up really quickly. And when I got home, I took it out of soil. It did come in soil, and I noticed that it was actually 3 plants that all seemed to have variegation on them. So here goes another leaf. I'm trying to get this to focus as much as possible. And this is the third one that's variegated. And I am super freaking pumped. Naturally, I would have cut it right off the stalk and propagated the cuttings. But since I never have luck with Repotting tetrasperma cuttings in water and perlite, anything, I never have luck propagating them. So I thought I would just remove the soil and transfer to water first, which is what I did with all 3 plants. They're all in these jars of water. And guys, if this is a variegated Repotting tetrasperma, I really hit the jackpot and I'm freaking pumped. Like, how did I get that lucky? I don't know, but I'm so happy. It looks like I'm probably gonna have to get a greenhouse cabinet a little bit sooner than I wanted to, but I think it might be worth it. So now I am going to get into repotting some of these plants. Who do we want to repot first? I think I really want to repot my Cebu blue Pothos because she's so juicy. I got this pot for her, which is a pretty larger size than this one, but I think it's gonna be okay just with how fast she has grown. I did clean off some used LECA. It was the first time I actually cleaned this much used LECA, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be with the method that I did use. So I'm just gonna pour some in here. No! Yeah, you didn't go on the floor. Okay. I poured about that much in there. I kind of just want to, like, you know, let's see, I don't know. I'm just gonna go for it. Ah, there's water in here, obviously. Oh my god, she's so stuck, and I knew that was gonna happen. Wicked stuck. Holy shit. Okay. Oh. I feel like this pot is giving birth right now. This is her root system. Very gorgeous. Okay, relax. I'm gonna stick her in here like this and backfill. I don't want to stand up. Let's see what we got going on here so far. All right. I think this might be good. Look at this. She needed that pot, for sure. Holy crap. This is so cool. I think I'm going to propagate my Cebu blue that I have staked up, the one viner, and add her back into this pot so I can have a massive Cebu blue. But I'm very satisfied with this. Wow. Well, let's give her some water before I freaking forget. This plant doesn't have any drainage hole in it, which I'm happy about. There we go. Yay! She's so big. So the next plant that I want to pot up is my Atomsonia. I can't believe how far this plant has come. Like I said in a previous video, I haven't had growth like this since I've had this plant. Like, look at all the little mini inner holes. It's just quite amazing. And she's also been in here for probably a year. Actually, I'm not sure. I have no concept of time whatsoever. So scratch that. We're gonna be using this jar. I cleaned a little bit more PON off and added it to our PON jar. Not too much. We need to get this out first, which I'm really scared about because it seems pretty root bound. So like the other one, I'm just gonna go dump some out first to try to get the plant out. Oh, yes. Wow. I didn't even realize there was 2 cuttings in here. This little cutie and this guy. Oh my god. Look at the roots, guys. So cool. Okay, now we gotta pour some out again. Dang, she probably could have used a bigger pot, honestly. But we'll put her in here for now. I'm gonna leave room for a moss pole because I know this is a plant that is definitely going to be staked up as well. See, like right now it's kind of hanging, but we are gonna give this a nice juicy moss pole once we make them. But until then, this is her new pot. I'm really happy. I can't wait to have her staked up. I'm gonna give her some water before I forget. Just a little. And we have our girl. I accidentally ripped this leaf with my nails. My string of spades. I almost bought a string of hearts, but I honestly don't really like these plants. I just like this one because of how far it's come. Like, this is a very personal plant to me. She's gonna go back in LECA since she's doing so well, and I'm going to be putting her in this iridescent jar. Okay, so. She's not even root bound. I shouldn't have repotted her, but we're doing it. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys with the roots. The roots have these balls on them, if you can see them. It's probably where they store water. I should propagate this plant and make a fuller plant. Okay. Here we go. You can see the roots on that side. Pretty cool. And here she is. She's a little bit tangled right now. I think we might propagate this plant, guys, so this might have been a waste of time to repot this one. That does bring me to the end of today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, bye guys.